Morning. So I came here to shoot interviews on a beautiful yacht. I came here to shoot interviews in cars. I came here to shoot interviews in the street. I came here to shoot interviews in all sorts of spaces. But I didn't want to bring luggage. I just wanted to go super minimalistic. I was here for 3 days, one backpack with all my clothes and all my camera gear. Super minimalistic. Sony a7S III, Joby for a tripod and a microphone, Sony 20mm f1.8, which I shot almost everything on, and then I brought the 85mm Zeiss Batis 1.8, and I use that for all the B-roll and all the sort of smooth, buttery, silky, low light Miami shots. And yeah, all the interviews we shot on this, the 20mm 1.8. I love this lens. What a combo! One microphone, 2 lenses, 1 camera, and a bunch of batteries and memory cards. And that's about it, man. If you can't pull it off with that, doing a run and gun interview setup, I mean, so I'll talk to you guys soon, and peace. Ciao for now. We'll get back to it.